Behind every laptop you use, there is a massive factory working day and night. The body decides strength, heat control, and durability. The screen is the face of the laptop.
Hardware becomes intelligent through software.
From factory to your desk. From factory to your desk.
Thousands of steps, one powerful machine.
Cooling decides performance and lifespan.
Calibrating microphone levels, testing 1, 2.
A laptop is opened more than 20,000 times in its life.
Look at the drop-off around 5 gigahertz here.
Yes, the Bluetooth coexistence seems to be interfering with the 5 gigahertz band.
Only stable machines survive this stage. Technology moves forward responsibly.